In front of me is HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and let me show you how to activate dial-pad tones on this device. So at first you can open the phone dialer, and as you can hear, right now it is muted, so there is no sound connected with those numbers, with those digits. If you want to change it, you need to open the settings, then find and select sounds and vibration, scroll down and click on more sound settings. And here you will notice keypad tones smoothly marked, and you can pick either default or melody. So let me show you default sound at first. If you'll mark default, the sound is connected with digit, but it's the normal one, like the one that you definitely know. And if you'd like to activate this melody, a bit more interesting, just tap on melody, and now just listen to it. And that's it. So obviously if you'd like to mute it, just pick no sound in the same panel, and this is it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.